But we start with that refereeing decision that was described by some as the worst in the Premier League era. But will the red card shown to Arsenal defender Myles Lewis-Skelly get rescinded? Well, let's get more. We can go live to the Arsenal training ground now and speak to our reporter Gail Davis. Gail, good afternoon to you. Just take us through what we know then about Arsenal. Are they going to appeal this decision?
Yeah, really good afternoon, Joe. We understand that Arsenal have appealed that decision. How the process works is by yesterday at 1 o'clock, they had to let their intention be known, and then they had to gather their evidence by 1 o'clock today to try and get this red card overturned. A red card that left Mikel Arteta fuming. That's all he really said on Saturday evening, but that's all he really needed to say because, as you mentioned, there's been so much noise about it. He allowed other people to do the talking. That incident against Matt Doherty, Michael Oliver sent him off straight red. In terms of that evidence, there's been a bit of a precedent early on in the season, end of September. If you think about Bruno Fernandes's challenge, that was on James Maddison when United lost 3-0. Very, very similar situation, and people have pointed to that as maybe a way that will be looked at in terms of that was overturned, and Arsenal certainly hoping to have their player back because it's a huge game on Sunday for Arsenal against Manchester City, and then it's the second leg of the Carabao Cup he could potentially miss as well. And this is a player who's having a breakthrough season for the club. I mean, good news for Arsenal is that I watched him train a little bit earlier, and Ricardo Calafiori, obviously he's back fit, scored the winner against Wolves on the weekend. So they do have cover, but he's having such a good season, and their squad is skinny at the moment because there are a number of injuries, so they'll desperately want their best players. We watched him train this morning. Obviously he can play in that Champions League game against Roma tomorrow night. Really big game for Arsenal, touching distance, aren't they, of going straight through to the round of 16.